Want to know how to ask Cursor AI to turn a single line code into a multi-line in Cursor AI into any code? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you open it up, you should be on this interface right here. So we have this code or C# code replay right here, and in order to change it, you need to just simply select the entire code. And now once you've selected that, here you can just simply select quick edit right here. And once you've selected that, just simply type in this prompt and then select enter. And now once you've selected enter, it will generate you a proper code. As you can see, it has been converted to a multi-line. Just simply select keep and you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.